Hello everybody, welcome to a new episode of How to DIY RC to the Wltoys 28 scale RC Drift Project, episode number 15. We are going to make more improvements to the steering because we already upgraded the steering servo to get more steering angle. Then we have added the top chassis, custom carbon shop chassis to get the stiffness, and we really noticed that the car was drifting a lot better. And now that we have the more steering angle, we want to improve that to the max. And we found out that during steering there is a lot of flex on our steering rod. It's just weak plastic and it's pretty soft, and there's a lot of flex, and we want to make that as stiff as possible to get the fast reaction as we can. And this upgraded part from the Mini Q comes in, and it's an adjustable tie rod with a middle piece in the middle with similar ball joint hooks as from the K989, and I put the links down below, of course, like always. And now I have to disassemble the car. We've removed the top plate. Now it's pretty simple to get to the steering arm and just click it off. This is the first time, so it's gonna be nice and tight. And luckily they are the same holes. They are exactly the same. They will just fit on the K989. Even this is Mini Q. But the length, I extended it because you can extend it and make it small. You can turn it in and turn it out. And I've extended it to the max, and it's a hair smaller. It's not much, but it does make we're gonna lose a little bit of that angle that we just gained by the extra servo. But it's gonna be a little bit, just going to have to test it out. And now it's just a question of clicking, click on. Pretty simple upgrade that makes a really big difference because this doesn't flex at all. And just click in, and I can show you that this is so easy to flex. This is super flexible. It's really soft. No, it doesn't break, but we like it stiffer now with the maximum steering angle that we get from the upgraded servo. We have fully assembled the car. Now it's just a question of to check if we lose any steering angle because of a shorter steering rod. But as you can see, we have still maximum angle, almost touching the shocks. Maybe we have to remove the shocks to get even more angle. But now we have a stiff steering rod, so we're gonna have a lot faster and better steering reaction. Maybe a tenth of a second, but every tenth is going to help, and it will be feeling a lot better in the transmitter gimbal. Well, it was a pretty nice drift session. I could really feel a small difference, but it was a noticeable difference. But the steering was reacting just a little bit, that little bit faster, because it's a completely stiff steering arm now, because it's from metal. The next modification that we should do is to the connection arm that connects the left wheel to the right wheel, the long arm that is also from plastic and a little bit flexible. So we should make that stiffer as well to make it really perfect and to get the best out of the little drift car. I really hope you like this episode and give it a thumbs up, and you have a sneak peek in what's coming up in the next episode. I hope you subscribe for that. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I want to thank you for watching, and I say goodbye. Until next time.